Hello, everyone. I'm about to show you something amazing. Look what I found. A cursed Blippy doll? It looks creepy, for sure. And the price? It's expensive for a doll. That means there's something about it. The seller says strange things happen around it. What do you think, Leo? Ready to take the risk? I can't wait to see it. I hope you feel the same. Done! We did it! The cursed doll from the dark web is on its way to us. Who's that? I'll go open the door. Guys, it's here! The Blippy doll! What? No way! How is that possible? Oh no! There it is! Wow! This is the moment of truth. Let's record the unboxing. Time to find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look! What's there? What is it? Don't move the camera so fast. Well, there it is. Is that all? I thought it would be scarier. Doesn't matter how it looks, it's cursed. Or maybe there's something inside it. Let's all check together. I know. We need to do it at a special time. A special time? What do you mean? At 3 a.m.? When creepy things happen? Oh, a nighttime experiment. We wait for night. The time has come. Well, ready? I'm scared. Are you too? We have to do this. We need to know what's inside. Then, let's begin the operation. Cut here? Go ahead. And that's it? Just stuffing? Nothing else? Wait, there's something... It's an eye! A scary one! Looks like it's just an eye from another doll that got stuck inside. So, no mystery. No curse. Seems like it. Well, at least now we can go to bed. What was that? Did you hear that? I don't know, but I really want to sleep. Leo? Nika? What's wrong with you? What's happening? Did we fall asleep? How? It was night. It's morning already. How did we fall asleep? I don't remember anything after. Me neither! Did we just black out? Like a memory gap. What happened after we opened the doll? Okay, let's just get out of here and throw that doll away right now. Agreed, I feel weird here. Let's hurry. Weird. It won't open. Locked? It won't open at all. Are we stuck? Seems like it. Hey, where did this come from? What is this? Burgers? With seaweed? Gross. Did you make these while I was sleeping? Of course not. I just woke up myself. Why would anyone cook such nastiness? Oh no! What? It's a game. He's making us play his quest. Tasks? You think this is a task? We're locked in, and to get out, we have to eat this. Blippy, he's playing with us. They look disgusting, but I don't think they're poisoned, just nasty. Eat this? Are you serious? I can't. It even smells terrible. Someone has to eat to open the door. I'll eat it. Maybe one is enough to pass the task. Good luck. No, it's not opening. So, one isn't enough. You won't make me eat that. What is that? It's here. Eat, quickly. Run! Is everyone okay? We made it out. I thought it was over. That was awful. This isn't a joke. The doll, it really is cursed. We have to get rid of it right now! Agreed. Where is it? In the bedroom? Let's go! No? It can't be. What is it? It's gone! We left it right here! Where did it go? It vanished. Did you see that? Where could that doll have gone? Maybe we completed the task, ate the burgers, and the curse lifted, and it's no longer dangerous. You think? Just left? Yeah, maybe. Maybe you're right, Leo. Nothing bad is happening. Seems like the doll just disappeared. All right, I need to go to the office. Do you see that too? That came from the doll. Nika, come here! Quick! Amelia, what happened? Why are you screaming? There! There! Him! Blippy! Amelia! There's no one here. Are you sure? Maybe you imagined it? He was here. You saw him too, right? Where did these toys come from? I've never seen them. They're not ours. It's him, Blippy. He brought them. That's blood. Blood? Oh no! Oh no! We need to get out, right now! Run! Yes, hurry! He's calling! Hello? Come outside. What do you want? An ordeal awaits you in the yard. He said to go outside. What does he want? He said we'll face a challenge. What do? We have no choice. We have to obey him. We're outside, just like he said. So, where's the challenge? I don't see anything. I hope it's not too hard. He said, come out. So the task is here. There he is. Did you see? Oh no. Amelia, Nika, come here. Quick. Graves? This is terrible! Are those his victims? Looks like it's the next task. Your fate will be decided now. One grave holds a clue to lift the curse. That's good news. Leo, wait! I haven't finished reading. Yeah, Leo, why are you rushing? The other graves hold powerful curses. Good thing Leo didn't start digging. Dig? Which one? This is horrible. Dig a grave? What if we choose wrong? We have no choice. We have to dig. But which one? There are 3. I regret getting into this. There are no clues. How do we pick the right grave? Look here. This one right here. There's stuffing, like what was in the doll. Yeah, that's definitely it. Are you sure we should dig here? No other clues. I trust Amelia. Look, a small box. Is it the curse? I don't know. It's the clue. What's in it? As long as my heart sees you, you are in my power. Heart? Sees? I don't get it. What does he mean? I've got no idea. Me neither. This is useless. Good thing we didn't dig up a curse. That's for sure. Let's go back inside before he gives us another task. The heart sees... What does that even mean? What if it's a trap? What if we dug the wrong grave? I don't think so. Let's really think about this riddle. Amelia, read it again. As long as my heart sees you, you are in my power. Maybe we need to aim at his heart? Maybe. Any other ideas? I'm hungry after all that. Amelia, did you see him? Why are you screaming? Where did this come from? Welcome to the next stage of the game, my little friends. You found my gifts. Now build a skeleton from them so we can keep playing. He's mocking us. I don't even want to touch those bones. I can't. No! We have no choice. He said, build it. So, we have to do it. Where do we start? Skull or pelvis? Think back to biology. Too bad you never studied it. I can't even look at this. Nika, pull yourself together. Is this a vertebra or a rib? Looks like a leg. Seems like it. What do you think? What happens when we finish? I don't know. Maybe Blippy disappears or gives us another task. Ready? Don't stop! He's chasing us! Don't stop, Nika! I can't go on! Get up, Nika! He's close! Run! Hey you! Over here! Run! Where is he? I don't know. Leo! Leo! Is that you? What's wrong with you? Something's not right with Leo. Leo, it's us! Amelia, Nika! Leo, don't you remember us? We lost him. Yeah. We need to do something. We can't just sit here. But what? We missed something. Something in the house. The bedroom. We've been there. Maybe there's something in there. Look, what's that? As long as my heart sees you, you are in my power. The eye. It's the heart. The doll's heart. I think I get it. Blippy? Where is he? You're okay, Leo. You're back. We broke the curse. You broke the curse! We did it! We made it! Girls, great job solving the task! Friends, hope you enjoyed our adventure! Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next story! And don't forget to like! Bye, everyone!